What about you and Barbie? Nag-usap kayo?
About?
I mean, about you doing, for example, a film like this, and then the fans participating are as engaged as they are always when you do projects together. You didn't talk about this?
We did talk about it. I remember we were shooting Pulang Araw, and we had a scene together. And that was a day na...
Kayo ni Barbie?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that was the day na I accepted the role. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, paano ako kaya sasabihin kay Barbie na, uy, meron nga pala akong movie tapos hindi ka kasama. Di ba? So sinabi ko sa kanya, Barbie, meron nga pala kami movie ni isa niya. Yun lang. And she was like, oh, wow. Wow, it's nice. So proud of you. Ganon. Like, she's super supportive when it comes to these things. Because, of course, as actors, you want to grow outside of the love team and also grow inside the love team. So, I mean, Barbie is super supportive about it.
Not, ang masarap doon, merong mga conversations na gano'n.
Yeah.
May pagiging pagkaibigan. There's a friendship that allows you to actually talk about these things.
Yeah, it's all about communication.
Correct.
Diba?
Holy Wednesday ngayon, and then you're doing a film titled Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo daanan ang mga salita katulad ng tukso, temptation.
Yeah.
How do you handle
Temptations.
Yeah.
Well, for me, I just try my best to stay away from it.
There are aggressive women who would, ika nga, make the moves.
Yeah, meron, definitely.
Paano yun?
Syempre kung may ka-relationship ka, iiwas ka. Diba? Like,
Okay.
hindi ka magpapatempt. No? Okay, sorry, I'm taken. Something like that. So yeah, I mean, ako naman, I never cheated, to be honest.
Pero depende rin siguro sa state ng relasyon. Because that's also depriving yourself from getting to know other people, friends, for example.
Yeah.
Potential friends. You know, you're missing out on, for example, nakilala mo ito, not as a potential girlfriend, kahit medyo...
Friends lang, yeah.
Di ba, may pagka-aggressive, pero you could have turned out to be good friends. It's really a balance, no?
Yeah. I mean, you would know naman the intention from the get-go, di ba?
You're very sensitive now to not just your own feelings, but, you know, karelasyon or ibang tao.